The next exercise we are going to see is linear regression and correlation using RSQ function in Excel. To calculate correlation and regression, there are various methods available using MS Excel, but right now we are going to use the RSQ function. The Excel RSQ function returns the square of the Pearson product Neumann correlation coefficient, which is a statistical measurement of the correlation. It shows the linear association between two set of values. Here the two set of values are given. It is the one is age and another one is the salary. Now we are going to see, is there any linear correlation and regression between age and salary. So the data ranges from A18 to B18. So first we are going to make a scatter plot. After that we are going to find the linear correlation coefficient. After that we are going to see the plot for the regression line, and finally we are going to see the equation for the regression line. Let us proceed with one by one. First, going to insert the scatter plot for the given data. For that, first we have to select the data, select the entire data including the label, then go to insert menu. In insert menu we have recommended charts. Under that, the last one is insert scatter or bubble charts, so select that. After that you can select any one of your choice. Now we have inserted the scatter plot for the given data. As you know, this plus symbol will help us to edit the chart, but right now I am not going to do anything with the editing of the scatter plot, so right now I am going to leave as such. Moving on to the second one, find the linear correlation coefficient. So for that only we are going to use this RSQ formula. So the formula goes like this. This is the formula: type equal to and then type RSQ and then give the data range. So here the data range is between B3 to B18. When you give formula, you are not supposed to give the data range from the label itself. So the data should, where the data only starts, so that range alone should be given. So in this case the data starts with A3 and B3. So the formula goes like this: RSQ, type equal to, then type RSQ, then within round bracket B3 is B18 comma A3 is A18, close the round bracket. Then you will get the output of RSQ for the given data, that is linear correlation coefficient of the given data is 0.894. Then the third one is we are going to plot the regression line. So for this we can in the scatter plot itself we can do that. So for that, click the chart and select the plus symbol. Under that we have an option called trend line. So select that trend line. Then you can see a linear line, the regression line has been inserted in the chart. Last one, find the equation of the regression line. Now we have to give the regression equation line for the given data. For that, again select the scatter plot, select the plus, then already we have selected the trend line. Under next to trend line we can see a triangle symbol here. Select click the triangle symbol. Then you can find various options like linear, exponential, linear forecast, 2 period, moving average. Under that we have an option called more option. Select the more option and come down, scroll it to the last part. Under that we can see set intercept, display equation on chart and display R squared value on chart. 3 checkboxes will be there. We have to select the display equation on chart and then display R squared value on chart and then close it. Now you can see our regression equation has been inserted along with the R square value. Thank you.